Today's video is about tying the uni to uni knot. Now this is my go-to knot for any stationary tie or for connecting two lines together that do not need to pass through the guides on my rod. Before I start this video, I want to ask you to subscribe because it does give me that positive affirmation that these videos are reaching you guys and engaging and you enjoy watching them and learning. I'll continue to make them if my count keeps going up. So like and subscribe for me. Here we go. Step one is to lay the lines out parallel to each other. You want to leave yourself plenty of excess line. So you're going to pick one side to start from. I'm going to start from the dark green, which would be left to right. I'm just going to make a loop. Now the next step is to actually circle both sets of lines through that eyelet. Now you're going to, for monofilament, 5 is perfect. For braid, I like to do a few more just because it's a more slippery line. I would do 7. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just going to do 3 because this paracord is tough to tie. And then I'm going to cinch down from left to right and then grab it and tug on it. All right, now this is a tension knot, so that means the more pressure you put on it, the tighter it gets. Now that is a single uni knot. And now it's time to move on to our other side, which would create the double. For this side, we're going to do the same thing we did for step 1. We're going to make our loop and then wrap both lines. 1, 2, 3. Now for mono, 5 times. For braid, I like to use 7. And then I'm going to cinch this down from left to right. Okay, now we have our 2 uni knots. And now what's cool about this is it's actually a slip knot, and then the 2, no matter how hard you squeeze down on them, these knots do not separate. This is a tension knot. Uni to uni. Like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. They may help you out too. Thanks everyone.